Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you're new here. In today's video we are doing a room makeover. Now this is Eleni's room. My little girl, she is 6 years old, and so we wanted to transform her room. I just gave you guys a glimpse of what it looked like beforehand. Now she did have like a whole bedroom suit, however we sold it within 2 days. We honestly didn't expect to sell it, so she slept on like a pallet on the floor for a few days, which she enjoyed tremendously just because it was almost like a camping out. But we are going to transform her room. So the first thing I'm going to do is vacuum this area, and then we're also going to shampoo her carpet as well. We have a Chorky and he does shed quite a bit, so I just wanted to go ahead and vacuum and shampoo her room and then just start from scratch in regards to bringing furniture in and decorating.
For sure, you set the weather, every cloud, every rain, you're above and beyond. Oh, every tune is your song. Doesn't matter what I say, there is no other way. Gotta stay loose when next to you, for sure, or else you get bruised. There's no pick and choose, for sure.
With the vacuuming and shampooing, we did wait 24 hours before we put the furniture in here just because the carpet was wet. So we purchased this dresser from Rooms to Go along with the nightstand, so those two pieces of furniture do match. And then eventually we will probably mount her TV, but for now this will do. As long as she has a TV, that's all she's worried about. But and then I'm going to put all of her stuffed animals in this corner. Honestly, that's pretty much all that she's into right now. She's not really into like a ton of toys, so you won't see a lot of toys that you might normally see in a 5 or 6 year old room. But she loves just the stuffed animals, and she loves like putty or slime or kinetic sand, anything along those lines. But right now we're just going to organize her nightstand, and then we'll move on to putting her bookshelf together, along with she has some basket of toys as well. So one thing we did do during this time, I didn't record it just because it would have been a super long video, but I made sure to go through all of her things with her in regards to what we wanted to donate or throw away, and then what we wanted to keep. So everything that we did put back into the room, we know that we're going to keep for a while. So we did declutter and organize beforehand in regards to all of her toys and her clothes. Another thing we did declutter and reorganize were her books. She honestly had books from when she was like a baby, so it was definitely time and overdue in regards to decluttering her books. So then at the bottom of this bookshelf is just an area where you can add baskets, and so we just have 2 baskets of toys, and then I'll put a basket beside her bookshelf as well. But those are honestly the only 3 baskets of toys that she does have.
Close to me, close to what we used to be, but I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe? Won't you love me? The old kind of new.
So I pretty much kept all the same decor. The only thing I did purchase was a new mirror. Her mirror was definitely getting old and outdated, so I just wanted to update that. And then pretty much these two shelves I put up whenever we first moved into the apartment. So I'm just going to, I just dusted and cleaned those two shelves, and then I just put pretty much the same decor up there. But now is the fun part. So we ended up ordering her a canopy bed. Now I didn't record putting it together. I just felt like it was gonna be way too long, but we purchased a canopy bed, and then we purchased like the curtains and the lights that you'll see me putting up towards the end. But we absolutely love this bed. Now Eleni did pick it out, so we gave her like 5 different beds that she could choose from, and she was really excited about the canopy bed. So we definitely loved how everything turned out, and I can't wait to show you guys at the end.
Couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am.
Clearly you can tell this video was recorded within several days. It was one day that the furniture came, and then several days later was when the bed came, and then several days later was when the comforter came. So I couldn't do it all in one day, but we ended up purchasing her a bed in a box from Amazon, and then I ordered the comforter set from a Betty's. Now she had a Betty's beforehand in regards to the comforter, and I just wanted to order her another one. Now they are super pricey, but I love the quality. I love how easy it is to make up her bed. It just takes like 5 seconds to zip it up, and then we're good to go. So I still wanted to keep the convenience of the Betty, and that's why I ended up purchasing it again. But at the very first sheet that I put on, we purchased a mattress protector, and then you see me put the comforter on. So and the mattress protector we did order from Amazon. We always just do that just to make sure we, you know, carry out the longevity of the mattress as long as possible. So and these are the sheets I'm going to put on the canopy bed. Now I just purchased these on Amazon, and then they also came with lights as well. So I just wanted to try out the sheets first, and then you'll see me sort of take them down to put the lights up. But like I said, I love the way everything turned out. And then I just had these 2 white rugs. We've had them for a while, but I just wanted to put them together like that. I just felt like it gave this like princess castle vibe. That's why we put those 2 rugs like that. But now I'm just putting on the lights, and then we'll show you how everything looks at night, along with how the final reveal looks as well.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy.
Like I said, we definitely loved how her room turned out. Like I said, she is 6 years old, so I just feel like this is going to last us at least another 5 years. I definitely want it to go like big girl status versus, you know, keeping it like maybe like a Disney character or something that she'll grow out of. So we definitely kept it like princess castle vibes. So I just feel like that'll last quite a bit longer than if we were to do something different. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the transformation. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Easy to be in love. Who said that the sun